Hi, my name is Miss Kara.
And my name is Miss Grace.
And we are 4-H leaders, and today we're going to talk about physical and chemical changes.
To start off, we all know that this is a piece of paper.
Now that I read the piece of paper and Miss Grace scribbled all over it, is this still a piece of paper?
Yes.
Although we read the piece of paper and scribbled all over it, it doesn't change the identity of the paper.
That is what we call a physical change.
A physical change is a change in a substance or an object that does not change the identity of that substance. Now, what happens when we do the change, when we change the substance and we create a new substance?
That's called a chemical change.
Chemical changes produce a new substance. This is a reversible substance. For example, if light, heat, gas, odor, or sound is produced, that is a clue that you have had a chemical change.
If I were to take my paper and burn it, do I still have paper?
No, we don't.
We have created a new substance, and that is ash.
The fire burning a piece of paper created a chemical change.
Now we're going to show you a cool experiment that shows you the chemical reaction between hydrogen peroxide, yeast, dish soap, and warm water.
Here on the table are all of the required materials.
We have 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide, some dish soap, 6 tablespoons of warm water, 2 tablespoons of yeast, and 10 drops of food coloring.
With adult supervision, you could even try this at home. So first we're going to dump in the cup of hydrogen peroxide into the bottle. And then a few drops of dish soap. And then 10 drops of food coloring.
While that is being shaken, we are going to add the 6 tablespoons of warm water to the yeast and stir until a nice smooth consistency.
And while Miss Grace is mixing the yeast, you shake your bottle up a little bit to mix the hydrogen peroxide and dish soap.
Once the yeast becomes this consistency, we will dump the yeast into the bottle. So since this reaction is very slow, what we're going to do is add a little bit more of the warm water, which will speed up the reaction. And eventually, you'll get this. Thank you all for joining us today. We can't wait to visit your classrooms soon.